Hi, in this video we're going to show you 3 ways that you could back up your drivers on your computer, and then we're going to show you how you could actually restore them if needed. So let's say you want to have a backup of your drivers in case maybe Windows Update installs a new one and it causes a problem, and this way you could just kind of roll back to a previous driver. And of course in Device Manager you do have the rollback driver option, but a lot of the times that's grayed out, so this might be able to help you out with that. Or let's say you're completely wiping out your computer, reinstalling Windows, and you want to just update all the drivers in one shot, you could use this method for that as well. Alright, so we have 3 different commands here. So the first 2 will run in PowerShell or command prompt, and the third one will only work in PowerShell. So we're going to just run them all in PowerShell just for the sake of keeping it simple. So we need to open an administrative PowerShell window. So PowerShell, run as administrator. Alright, so for the first command, we're going to back it up to the E drive in our backup folder under drivers. Second one going to drivers 2. Third one going to drivers 3. And then we'll see how they all look and see if they all look the same. Alright, so I'm going to run this first command here. Just copy and paste it in here. Alright, so now we can go to drivers. I'll just open this in a new tab here. Okay, that's how it looks. Now we'll do the second one here. Going to drivers 2. Alright, so they look identical between drivers 1 and drivers 2. Alright, so now let's run this third command here. Alright, so it looks the same as well. Alright, so now let's say you wanted to revert to a driver or reinstall a driver. We'll open up Device Manager. Just type it in the search box. So let's say we wanted to update or restore the driver for our sound card here. We could right click on it, Update Driver, click on Browse My Computer, navigate to whatever folder. So I could do drivers 1, 2, or 3 since it's all the same. Make sure you check the Include Subfolders box here. Click on Next. Alright, and then of course it's going to find the same thing because it's the same driver that's already installed. So that's how you do it for an individual piece of hardware. And if you wanted to do it for your whole computer, let's say you have your fresh installation of Windows, you could right click on the computer name itself, add drivers, browse to your folder, and now it installed these drivers. Just like that. Alright, so once again, just choose any of these commands. I'll put them all in the description. Obviously, you're going to want to change the destination here. Make sure you put it in quotes. And for this one here, make sure there's no space. Otherwise, it's not going to work. This one does have a space. This one has a space as well, but this top one doesn't. Alright, so give it a shot and see how it works for you. Alright, thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.